Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of virtual assistant services in 2024. We'll cover everything you need to know about this lucrative online earning opportunity, how it works, and how you can get started. If you're looking for a flexible, remote job, stay tuned. What is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant, or VA, is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from a home office. They handle a variety of tasks such as email management, scheduling, social media management, customer service, and much more. With the rise of remote work, the demand for VAs has skyrocketed, making it a great option for online earning in 2024. Why virtual assistant services are in demand. Businesses of all sizes are increasingly relying on virtual assistants to streamline operations and reduce costs. Startups, entrepreneurs, and even established companies need VAs to handle daily tasks so they can focus on their core activities. This growing demand means more job opportunities for virtual assistants worldwide. Types of virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants can specialize in various services. Administrative tasks like managing emails, calendars, and data entry. Social media management, including creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. Customer service, handling inquiries, and providing support. Technical support, such as website maintenance and tech troubleshooting. Creative services like graphic design, writing, and video editing. Skills needed to become a virtual assistant. To be a successful virtual assistant, you need strong communication skills, excellent time management and organizational abilities, proficiency in using digital tools and software like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and project management tools. Specialized skills depending on the services you offer, such as social media expertise or technical knowledge. How to get started as a virtual assistant. Here's how you can start your journey as a VA. Identify your skills and services you want to offer. Create a professional resume and portfolio showcasing your abilities. Set up a dedicated workspace and ensure you have the necessary equipment. Join online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr to find clients. Network through social media and professional groups to build connections and gain referrals. Finding clients and building your VA business. To find clients, use freelance platforms to bid on relevant projects. Create a professional website and use SEO techniques to attract organic traffic. Leverage social media marketing to showcase your services. Offer free trials or discounted rates initially to build a client base and gather testimonials. Benefits of becoming a virtual assistant. Becoming a VA offers numerous benefits. Flexibility to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Control over your schedule and work-life balance. Potential to earn a significant income depending on your skills and client base. Opportunity to work with diverse clients and industries, gaining valuable experience. Conclusion. Virtual assistant services provide an excellent opportunity for online earning in 2024. With the right skills and determination, you can build a successful VA business and enjoy the benefits of remote work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on online earning and remote work opportunities. Thanks for watching.